What's up, my lovely subscribers? Welcome back to your channel, Speak My Mind Entertainment. What's up, my lovely subscribers? How are you doing? Who can FedEx me some dinner, some Sunday dinner? I would be grateful if you can FedEx me some Sunday dinner. Them say Sunday, Monday is good enough, so me don't want to say it's send off. Me collect it Monday. Me hold the hungry till Monday and collect it Monday, because them say FedEx now up on Sunday. But at least the effort counts. So from the Senate, I come Monday, Sunday, Monday, nice. Anyway, what my people? You know what they do, you know. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed and you are watching, tell a friend to tell a friend, and please to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember, please to watch the ads. And you know, I have a little thing I want to clear, where most of you are, as my subscribers, my supporters, you know. I can understand sometimes when you said, because even me myself, sometimes I do the video, I'm sick of them, I feel upset, I have to have my alcohol near me. If not, I have to put all one garlic in a piece of garlic in my mouth or nutmeg, just to my stomach not upset. But you don't know the work I have to go on, and we want to highlight the type of people that we have to deal with. You know, so sometimes we just carry it. As you know, I don't carry everything. Because there is so many things I go on, but I don't carry everything. But certain things, all when I discuss with the person, I have to carry it. You understand? So sometimes I will see you people in the comment, most of you, you know, and I say, regular people, you know, say yes, I'm a real supporter of them and stuff. We come in the comment and say, boy, I speak my mind. I can't listen to them junkery. Boy, I speak my mind. Why you have to carry them upon your platform? Boy, I speak my mind. Me just hit the like button to you know, but me gone. Remember now, for most of you who don't understand, and most YouTubers always stress this to you, like, share, and please to watch the ads. Share mean that will help us to generate other people to subscribe to the channel when you share, because people who don't know the channel, when you share it to your WhatsApp to somebody who don't know, and them look, they might like what them see and them just subscribe. Like is almost probably the same thing in a different way. This is like in the YouTube world, the more like a video have is the more YouTube recommend the video to a wider space. And it also happens that you can gain new subscribers. So when you like it, is good, because it gives the video algorithm, so YouTube can recommend the video in a wider space. So the video reach more people outside of just our little circle. But when you just like the video and you come out for the video and that's it, the channel don't gain a revenue. I mean, no one on a local platform will have to gain a revenue. Whereas you know we now come out here come stress on a certain way and whatsoever. You understand what I said to you? So that's the only way we gain a revenue when you don't watch this video. Alright? If you don't dislike the person, or you don't like what the person say, or as me say, sometimes them voice alone disgust us, YouTube now know if you stand up and watch the video. So all you have to do, if you don't like what you see or what you hear, and as me say, you're a supporter of the channel, you know, he's a real supporter, not a fan, a supporter. You have the phone, you're not using the phone, just as though you just stand up and watch it. You just, either you turn on the phone, or you just put on the phone and make the video go and play till it done. We cannot get any ads on the video if you're not watching it. So you have to watch the video for the ads them to pop up. And remember now, as we stress all the while, the ads is what generate the income. So yes, I understand and someone just like the video, but the like is not generate no income. The like just make the video get recommended outside. The ads is what generate the income. So when you go and click on the video and say, right it, baby germ, they can't take this. You understand? You go so boom, I just like, because I speak my mind. Like because of Chin. Like because of Dana. Like because of Kris. Like because of latest. Channel now gain a revenue. You have to watch the video. And when I say watch, you have to literally sit down and watch it. Once the video I play, yes, that's all the ads are going to pop up. But when you just come out for the video, the ads now pop up. So if you discuss with that video, one don't want to hear the person, and the privilege is there for you to just rest down the phone, turn it down, because you don't want to hear the voice. You don't want to watch, and you don't want to hear the voice, just turn down the volume and make it go and play. So you support your channel. Alright? That is it. Anyway, people, pressure bus pipe, you know. Yes, man. But them still a hold back on them pride. Tina come on a pressure, people. And it is obvious that T girl come on a pressure. T girl come on a pressure that she's so ashamed. It's like she looking to herself. She want to apologize, but she don't know how to apologize. You understand? So she just a beat on the bush and a beat on the bush, as me say, cause pride. She come out and she says sorry to Dimes. And one bag of sit, don't know what go here. Sorry to Dimes. She surrender to Kris. Surrender to Kris. As me say, she's still not apologizing. But deep down, the pressure where she come under, she want to apologize. But for me, she are just doing this, you know, just to get people to gravitate to her. Like, okay, she's a changed person, or she willing to change, or she want to change. But after she have done so much bad in social media over the years, within herself, she know it got hard for it happen. You understand what I say? And it's hard for people to forgive her for all that she have done. But she want to gain sympathy. Why she's doing what she are doing here. Because as you know, she like to play victim. And she want to come out here and look like, okay, she want to be a changed person, just give her a chance. She want to be a changed person. All she need is just one more chance. Just give her just one more chance. Yes, that's all she need. So she want it look like. Cause if she come out and start to play like, okay, I'm this simpleton and I'm willing to accept that I was wrong in certain things that I have done, and I am going to try to be a better person now, and wanna still hit the nail on the head that drive on the boat. You understand what I'm saying? It is like, as me I say, we don't willing to give her a chance. But it's how you lie your bed, how you spread your bed, you lie in it. But as me say, she come out, she say sorry to Dimes. She said she now apologize to Donna. Probably me have to go do another video with that. But she surrendered to Kris, but still not apologizing. Let's get into it. So she not apologize. She not see it in herself to apologize to no blogger, but she single out people. Let's get into it.
Your phone for the greater good. Get your phone and go into your phone and use your phone for the greater good, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So what's the problem? What is the problem? Everybody now wants to become charity police, this police, even though they can't read and write, they can't speak well. Everybody, they have zero comprehension.
Show your word for Lord Elizabeth.
Everybody wants to be police and soldier and all of these other stuff, right? We're here now. We're doing positive things. I'm using my phone for the positive things in life. I was always a positive.
Yes, you say? Them come out and them say use your phone for good and use your phone for this. You don't know who always I say that. You don't know the one woman who always say, take on a phone, man, and use your phone for good, man. Try to help people. Right? You don't know who always I say that. So she refer to that person there. I want to know the partner when she said, well, everybody want to be charity police and this. But what me I say? You know, they join the same force one at a time. Or just a training in the day. And the training the too hard you left. Or you couldn't take the dictation why you left. We know why you left.
Fun person. My personality shines through on my page daily. I do have a sense of humor. I love people.
Wow.
I just don't love the drama. I don't love the drama.
You don't love the what?
I love to bake. I love to have fun. I love to try.
You don't love drama? And you're in a nearly 20 year with a drama? And you don't love drama? Wow. You're in a drama from actually in the 90s, you know. Girl, I wonder if you realize what is drama. Or the meaning of drama. You have been into drama nearly 20 years now. More than a decade, or I got 2 decades.
These are the things. I've had my US passport from
and all of them drama that documented. All of the drama them documented. So you can't say a lie.
Right now, I don't know. You know, like I said, immigration has never been people's immigrant status has never been a concern for me in a negative way. As a matter of fact, if anything, I help immigrants. I help you guys out. That's what I do. It's not the opposite, because I do realize that there are a lot of Jamaicans who don't know, a lot of Caribbean folks who don't know how to get certain things, where to go, so on and so forth. So that's where I came in. And I'm never going to change. I'm always going to be that person.
Wow, so sympathetic. Oh gosh. Is this a Tina we know? No, no, no. Surely not the Tina we know. This is surely not the Tina we know. Oh gosh, oh gosh. It would be so lovely if this is the Tina that we know. But it's not the Tina that we know. Sympathetic. Sympathy, she a look sympathy. Yeah, sympathy, she a look sympathy. All who inna the comments say sympathy. All who inna the comments say sympathy. Sympathy, she a look sympathy. Sympathy, she a look sympathy.
Loaded with information for anybody who needs it. You understand me? That's just who I am. It's not going to do me any good to hold on to the information if I can help you. At the end of the day, we're all black people. We're all Jamaican. It's not about who can travel, who has a passport, I don't know where this thinking came from, where people feel like they need to police who travels to where and who goes where. They feel like they're the only ones who they feel like they're the only ones who should travel or they should get opportunity. They're the only ones who should get opportunities. That's not cool. You're not immigration. You're not customs and border protection.
So why you write so much letter to authorities in people traveling and flying from one place to the other? Eh? Cause you're asking a question now of something that you have done, something that you have been labeled for, something that you have been accused of. You understand? You are speaking of something that you're labeled for, accused of, and something you know within yourself you have done. Oh God, man. Jesus, please. You can't cruel someone. How can you asking or saying what you're saying when you is one of that same person who does the same thing to other people? No, sir. And then you want people have sympathy for you and believe when you talk or believe anything you say? Good God.
You're not the ruler of anyone's life. You're not the boss of anybody. Everybody has their own rights. The only person we should be answering to is God. The only person we should be answering to is God. You understand what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, yesterday, I will say this, okay? It's time for people now to stop the nonsense, stop the bullshit. It's time now. And since I am one of the persons who have been on social media
Listen.
longer as a public figure,
It's
I
time.
am
It's
I'm the
time. They don't know Shop
longest
Bill herself,
public
so it's
figure
time
who has
now.
been on social media. Yes, me. Let me name the public figures. Hear me out. Let me name the public figures. Me, Donna Gow, Kris Tariano, um, Feline Williams.
So where's the nicknames? Wow. These people has no nickname anymore? Government name straight? Wow. Is this the Tina we know? No.
LaDonna, um, Miss Lothian.
Mr. Lothian.
If your
Mr.
name isn't
Lothian.
mentioned, just
Wow.
know you're not important, okay? Or you're not of any interest of mine. You understand me if your name is not mentioned? Let me go over the names again. Again, if your name is not mentioned, it means that you hold no value or interest to me, okay? And you're at the lowest low where you
Wow.
don't deserve any attention. All right? There is me. I've been on here the longest. I was the one who started philanthropy. There's no competition in philanthropy. There's none at all. There's obviously no competition is in philanthropy. No competition. Michael, hear me out for a minute before you come in my life with your hatred.
What you mean when you say no
Michael Sutherland,
competition?
please refrain from
Me not
using
understand that part there.
negativity in this live. Not this live.
Because if you're
Okay?
saying you not have
So
no
refrain
competition
from it.
in doing philanthropy,
Please.
let the record speak for
You
itself.
know, you like division. Do not come in my life with your negativity. Thank you.
If there is no
There is me.
competition
There's
for you
Marcia.
being a
Marcia
philanthropy,
Campbell, the lady who sells the sheets. Curly, A.K.A. Curly. There is Donna Gal. There is Chris Tariano. There is Valine Williams. There is LaDonna. There is Dimes Million. There is Glitz and Glam. All of these people on the platform as Jamaicans. They're all Jamaicans, right? I feel like it's time now for y'all to stop the bullshit. Okay? Stop it. Stop it. Stop
immediate
it. Stop it.
U-turn.
This divide.
Salute! About turn! Salute! About turn! March! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Immediate U-turn? No, sir. Pressure bus pipe. But you can't come out here and fool nobody. We know you. This is not the first time you've been like this. This is not the first time you've been like this. This is not the first time you've been like this. You can't fool us. You can't fool us. You can't trick, you can't fool us. Okay, you can't fool us no more.
That y'all are creating, this competition that y'all are creating, it's unnecessary. It is unnecessary.
Sure, I know you are creative.
If anybody
Cause you know, like seeing a
should
business
be
person
creating
strive,
that divide, it
you
would
will
be
fall
me.
them to fall.
And I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Anybody who should have been creating such a divide, it would be me. And I am not doing it. It would be me because I am the first one, in a sense, if you get what I'm trying to say, I'm the first one on social media, out of the group, the first one, who has been making a name for herself all these years. All these years. I am the
New
first one.
selfie stick.
And I'm
Wow.
not on here
It me I use now, you know, people. Brand
creating
new.
a divide.
Don't know, you have to improve the thing, you know. Stage to
Okay?
stage.
I'm not on here creating a divide.
This one can
with
use a
anybody.
GoPro and it also use the phone and you
Okay?
can screw on your selfie
I'm not
light.
on here.
And it is
But
very sturdy.
Chef
Very, very
Noel
sturdy.
Cunningham. I forgot about him too. Chef Noel Cunningham.
So
I am not on
all of
here
the bloggers them
creating
in
a divide
Jamaica,
with anybody.
check them out. Check
Okay?
them out. We can send them to the website we
Now,
have them.
there are things
And it's
that I
very
have said in the
reasonable.
past
Link me up and me tell you the price. Very reasonable.
in response to me being provoked and stuff like that. I want you guys to know that you guys can't blame me for responding to hatred. You can't blame me
So
for
the
that,
breeze
because at the
strong
end of the day,
and
I'm the
it all
victim
it have
here.
is rock little bit, but it
And
nah
a
drop.
lot of you
The first one
stirred
I
up
have blow down long time.
issues that are just petty.
And it carries straps at the foot.
Petty. Let me block
Remote
Michael
control
because he's
also.
coming to disturb the class.
Yes, remote.
Give me a second. Let me block
But
Michael.
I think the remote don't
He
work
is,
well with video. But like
he doesn't belong
taking
here.
photos,
Give me a second.
selfie, yeah, you can go way out there, sir, and use a remote. Set your camera and go out there, sir.
Right.
Click it on your
He
remote
blocked
and
it.
take your picture.
This is how I'm seeing it, right? As adults here, I will accept my accountability for the things that I have done, but you adults on here need to accept your accountability too, right? This cannot be a one-way thing. The only way we're going to have peace on this platform is if you guys who are in the position to do so, end all of this bullshit. I'm sorry, I can't speed it up. I'm sorry about that, hon. I can't change. I can't, no. Y'all need to end all of this nonsense because a lot of the things that y'all are doing.
So how people for end something where them not start? This is what I want to know. How can the person who starts something asking the person who don't start it to end it? Me not understand that. Because if I am the aggressor, how can you ask the other person? How can I ask the other person to stop? I have to be the one who stop because I am the aggressor. If two people catch a fight, you notice who them try for hold on pan? Most time, the aggressor. The only way you don't hold on pan the aggressor unless you pick side. So you try to hold the other person while the aggressor still at your fist. You understand what I say? But if you go in there to part and you're observing, you're going to try to hold the aggressor. Such people can't start things that you want them to stop it. You are the one who starts it. And all, at most, not all, but most of all the work on, you is the flame to the fire. Because if one little smoke they over there, sir, and the little smoke concern a certain individual, and there is a privilege for you to go over there to ignite that smoke and turn it into flame by throwing fuel, gas, kerosene oil, acrylic, thinner, whatsoever you have to ignite that flame, you're going to do it. Just because the smoke where you sit I go towards the side of the hills of Jackshill, going towards Mountain View, heading on to Jackshill. You ignite it. So you have to stop all your doings where you are do. And stop come out and come play victim. Oh. People tired of you now. They already know that you're playing victim. Even your own people know you're a troublemaker.
It doesn't really have a backbone to it. Has no backbone to it at all. Y'all are just doing it for content purposes. And it's nasty.
Wow.
It's nasty because
so what you do it for?
Have brands
what you do it for?
Protect. Chef Noel. I have seen you collaborate with the tourism board. All right, you have collaborated with a lot of very important companies, some big companies. However, you chose to be petty. You chose to be petty by manufacturing a beef between us so that you could have something to run.
You don't know what's a lie that, people. You don't know I lie that. Because, remember now, you know, she and Chef Noel did good. Or she tried to be good with Chef Noel because she see the type of progress and the type of mixture, caliber of people and sources that Chef Noel mingle in and mingle with. So she didn't want to ride off a Chef Noel back. Probably she didn't want to ride off a Chef Noel lollipop too. You understand? But for sure she didn't want to ride off a Chef Noel back. Because as I said, the caliber, you know, Jamaica Tourist Board, different magazine, different this, different that. So she didn't want to ride. Alright. Boom. 1990 this gentleman, as a Jamaican, shout him out 2 local time, share him page. I think make 2 local comment on him platform. She get to see that and catch her jealous. You all know the truth, you know. Me didn't have to tell her, you know. And that's where it starts, where she and Chef Noel is concerned. So don't make it look like Chef Noel start no beef with you. You start a beef with Chef Noel because Dana see him, shout him out, big up him page. Then in a yourself, you figure more or less say you was the one who first into Chef Noel or first acquaint with Chef Noel, and Dana try force herself because she see you acquaint yourself. Come on. You must stop feel like you're relevant to the lady. You is not that relevant. When you don't feel like she soon, she don't soon. She see the work where Chef Noel put out. Coincidentally, ag incidentally, pig incidentally, roach incident, pig, rat, all kind of incident. You was also acquainted with him. And that's all hell broke loose. So don't make it look like the man start nothing with you. You're too lie, man.
want to say to you, Chef Noel. You notice I'm not calling you a nickname. I'm calling you Chef
You know,
Noel.
call nobody no nickname.
Chef Noel, as much as I am accepting accountability, you need to do the same. Accept accountability, right? One of the reasons why I feel like I won't issue a letter of apology, I don't feel like I'll ever issue a letter of apology, is because I was thinking about it. I was thinking about issuing a letter of apology, but I don't think I
Pride.
want to do that because I
Pride.
was dragged really badly. Badly by everybody, not just me, but my children. And knowing that I am a victim, it hurts to apologize to all of you. It hurts. And my ego and my pain won't allow.
You make yourself a victim because you feel like social media, the business world, the baking world, it's all about you. So everybody comes up and getting ahead, you have a problem with it. You find some way to have a beef with these people. You understand? So cut your pride and offer your apology. If them accept it, them accept it. You understand? And most of we not gonna accept it because, as we say, you're known to do the same thing over and over and over. It's not just yesterday or last week or last year. It's more than a decade, going 2 decades, if not 2 decades. You're doing the same thing over and over to different people. So what is going to be different in just a few days? Eh? What is going to make things different? Yes, it's never too late for a shower or rain. But at the same time, in your case, what is going to make it different? Because your record, for the multiple amount of persons that you get yourself involved in their personal life and business for no reason at all, and the same drama where you say you don't like, it creates so much drama surrounding you. You understand what me I say? That me hear you say Lorraine is so coward and hate by people that she come to Jamaica and she have to just look around. This video where you do that Starbucks every minute you have to depend. Are the same for the same. Because you have created so much drama over the years with people you don't know who is who. And it's not most the same person you create the drama with. You're going to see. You have people who love people out of this world where them never even meet them yet. We would put there on the line for them. Because of the love. So you have to paranoid when you're out there also. Don't go like a Lorraine alone. People make a change of angle here. The son a beat me on my foot, boy.
To apologize to, because I know within myself that I did not cause these issues. So that
You know you're not going to
apology
take your
I don't
blame.
think is ever
You're not
coming.
going to take it.
However,
Because you're so
I
dishonest.
can move past certain things because a majority of the things that you guys have done, the names that I've mentioned, they're petty. A lot of the things, you know. As
You
far
have
as
done
Dimes
nothing,
Millions is
T-Girl. You have
concerned,
done nothing.
Dimes,
You're so innocent.
we're going to put this away. I'm going to put this away between me and you. Yeah, I'm going to put it away between us. If you want to leave me blocked, that's on you.
So you
But
want
honey,
Dimes to unblock you
moving
now.
forward, Dimes Millions, I have nothing against you. Absolutely nothing. Whatever it was, miscommunication, the little drama, all of that bullshit, it was petty. I'm just gonna put it away between us. Dimes Million, I'm gonna put it away because really, you're the least of all of this. And I don't say that to be disrespectful to you, but like just thinking about situations, you're like there. So Dimes Millions, I'm putting this away. And I'm sorry, Dimes, if you felt any type of way about the incident that took place some months ago. All right? This is between me and you, Dimes. Okay? This is not between me, you, and anyone who is influencing you on social media. This is not between us, but between them. It's between me and you. Okay? Now, as an adult, because you seem to be somebody who speaks a lot about family and values and God and stability and empowerment. And, I hope with this apology, you don't look at it like you don't let people influence you to do otherwise, because my apology is coming from a good place. It is.
So basically, as you say, Dimes is the least of the. You say you're not saying it in any disrespectful manner. So because Dimes is the least of the whole situation, you feel it in yourself to offer she an apology. Nothing wrong with that. But why you can't feel the same way of Kris, Donna, even Miss Lawton, Nanalyn, who again? Me never know who me no member right now. But why you can't feel it in yourself? Apologize to these people too. When you know you were the one who start the problem. You start the problem and you dodge on the wall, you dodge on the bush, you go on and eat your bed, you go on your kitchen, you go everywhere. Dodging. And then when these people come out after you dodging, people don't see that you were dodging. Because through them come and them look, them see upon your phone and do nothing at all. Because as everybody know, you put up your lives, you take them down immediately. You scrap your page. So when these people come out who get the screen records, or they themselves listen to the live, or they themselves screen record the live, that they can sift through it and then come out in defense of themselves, when the people outside who don't know what is going on go on your page to see what is going on or transpiring and yes, there is nothing for them to see. So it look like you are the victim. But little did they know that you already take down the live, put the live in archive, as you always say. You know, take it down, you put it in an archive. But once the video is not up to the public, after it was there to the public, you could have delete it, archive it, archive anything you want to do with it, or take it down. Because the public, it is not available to them. You understand what I say? And then now, when people go up on your page and I see them something there, and I say, Lord God, I will Kris go sorry for after me, she say nothing. Me search the whole her page, although she have one bag of page, but I most of the main page them should have posted pan, but me not see it. Lord, I will done this. Lord, I will this do. Poor them not know, say you take it down. Then you look like you're a victim. Mm-hmm.
I am an alpha female, and when I apologize, oh my God, it comes from down here. And trust me, it takes a lot to apologize if you don't know me. Because I stand in my conviction. I stand in my conviction. Right, Dimes? I stand in my conviction. To you. Now, to everybody else, I don't need to apologize to anybody else. You know what I mean?
You don't need to apologize to nobody else. You know the reason why? At least you have said it. You don't want nobody come say, see, them have to stoop to me because they know that now and Plank Nation. I say, see, them becomes my footstool. So them always use this and afraid to come up front to apologize because they are afraid of Dana gonna say, see it, then becomes my footstool. Right? No. Whether you becomes footstool or not, you know you're wrong. Apologize. Let out what inside of you, start fresh, cleanse up yourself. But when you go hold it because you're afraid of what people are going to say, it not make a difference. You know you're wrong? Come apologize. Hell, anybody want to say, you do the right thing and apologize.
I don't think I do, because I didn't do anything wrong to the others. I never did. However,
Seriously?
I will ask God
Him not no time for you.
to help me to move on
Your case
and
would gotta
just
go be a
like,
historic one.
you
It
know,
gonna take too long to
I will
solve.
help. I will ask God. For everybody else, you're not gonna get any apologies from me. Um, you know, Kris, you're not gonna get an apology from me. I'm just gonna speak to God about you and move on. If you wanna sit on your platform and continue dogging me out and my family out and continue dragging my business without a cause, you're free to do so. But Kris Tariano, Your Majesty, you will never get an apology from me. You will never get closure from me because I am you my heart just can't accept what you did to my child, you know. And any apology should not be coming from me. When it comes to me and you,
You know the funniest thing? You can identify every jack thing that people have done to you. And you never ever come out here big and bold and say, yes, I have done this to you. You understand? And this is how you continue to play victim and make it look like you are this important. So every jack man where you and them come entangle in a social media, they are the ones that mill around you. You notice you can talk everything what people do to you, but you can't say what you do to people. Come on, man. Be fair.
no apology should be coming from me, you know. But I will say this: if you want to sit on your platform and if you want to sit on your platform and drag my family, you continuously drag my business and continuously drag my, question my, you know, you can't blame me for saying things that exactly told me. You know, I've said a lot of things in anger. I've said a lot of things in anger, and that's because of the triggers. That's because of the things that you guys did to me.
You hear her? She said a lot of things. Same thing with this, I said she now come on, come say what she said. But at the same time, she come now and she has said, I have said a lot of things, but she have find the reason to say why she said a lot of things. And it all boils back down to what I am saying. She make it look like she are the victim. People always milling around she. People always troubling she. People always finding ways to get across her and force her to say a lot of things. You understand? When we know you are the one who comes out and say a lot of things about people and them come out in defense of themselves, and the thing just escalate and blow out a proportion at times, we want to have a back and forth. Why you don't just call a spade a spade? Why you continue to play a victim and we know you are not? It is evident, man. Stop it now. And then now, you come out with this video, make it look like, okay, you feel like you're going to take a change or you're going to take a different road. But at the same time, you're not speaking, you know, like you accept the wrongs you have done. You're not speaking that way, you know, like you accept the wrongs that you have done. You're trying to defend the wrongs that you have done by saying you were troubled for you why you do all what you have done. And we know most of them people are. You're not relevant to them. Not now, not then. All the people them from back then until now, you're not relevant to them. So why? Damn.
If you guys didn't provoke me to anger, I wouldn't have said those things. You know, you can't come on this app every day and provoke, poke the lion, and do not expect the lion to roar. I'm sorry, you know. So I am just gonna pray for you and just move on. But like I said, what you're doing is petty. It's unwarranted. I don't know why you're doing it. I'm not going to question the psychology of why you're doing it. I don't understand if it's a smear campaign that you're doing or if you're truly hurt about something. I don't know. Do you need closure? So on and so forth. I don't know. But at this point, it has gotten so out of control that.
So you're saying you don't know why Kris is doing what he's doing. So all the months and weeks we in social media have seen Kris blindfold himself, plug him ears, lost in mind, just not to hear you, see you, or think about you. And you sit on his live, you sit on your live, and you speak all manner of evil thing about the man and his business. All kind of negative things. This man, I sure know him hear them. And him hold him ground, stand him ground, hold him faith. And him not come out and answer you. You don't feel like a poke you did a poke the bear. All along when you do all of them something and the man not pay no mind. You don't realize that the same thing when you talk about you did a do. A poke the bear. And one day when you poke a bear and poke a bear and poke a bear and feel like a one hard buckle of bear like a red stripe bear, and the bear in the forest will naturally have feelings. And when the bear look and see a few will run from him body and him get cross and get cross and rush off of you, you know feel like say I go and grab you. So now the bear grab you. Why you crying out and ask question? And you already know the answer. Good God. And who know one God answer to you? Me tell you say your case with God would be one historic one. You see just like how cartel case historic in Jamaica with the length of time of trial. The same way so God gonna have a length of time with you because he will be having too much things to solve with you. You understand? So your case would be one of the longest trial case in heaven. And every day you wanna call upon God.
I have refused. I was talking about this, and the person knows I've been talking about this. They're on here. They're on here. But I thought about it, and I don't feel like when it comes on to you, just for the sake of peace, I'm moving on.
Surrender, you surrender, man.
So
but you don't have that courage, the pride that beat your courage. Make you not apologize like you apologize to Dime. But from your surrender,
every 3 hours in the morning, if you want to continue
to surrender to Kris.
You're on your own. You're not gonna get me to join in. Okay, Kris Terriani. You notice I refer to you by your
say this
name. I'm
now.
not calling you any nicknames now.
Because as your sister, where you're trying now to work out, you're going back to your old self.
But I want you to also know that what you did to my daughter was a big trigger, and it was heartless, terrible. She felt pain, so on and so forth. And if you're not an adult, if you're not mature enough to apologize to me and my daughter, then
Make I turn me back give you upon that one. So you know you make me get a stomach. You not mature. No, apologize to the rest of people them. You make pride get the better of you. But Kris immature. Apologize to you after you poke the man. Who you to?
Why should I be mature enough to apologize to you? If it's even on a public platform. But just for my own peace and sanity,
surrender. Pressure bus pipe.
You're on your own now. Because like I said, what you have done was really mean-spirited. and bitter and hateful. And what you did to my family was bitter, mean, and hateful. But that's something that I'm going to have to speak to God about and just leave you there. Okay, Your Majesty? But let me tell you something. I'm not your enemy. I'm too much of a loving person to be your enemy.
Wow! You do ever seem loving to your own picnic them? The only thing me see you seems loving to is social media. You do even loving to your own business where pay your bills. The only thing me see you loving to is your Starbucks and your phone screen. What you said a while ago? You are too much of a loving what? Back way talk, shaggy with the back way talk. Back way talk, shaggy with the back way talk. Back way talk, shaggy with the back way talk. A back way you talk. A must back way you talk. Anyone want to see her as a loving person in a phone? Not even to her own pitney them. She not sure love it seems to be. And so shall it be in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Because if you can left your pitney them and sacrifice that big risk and then use it, say, at the hustle you go for food, you go look at that, I want to go say, you want to go look at food for better off on life, I want to pitney life. You understand? If you go do what you do in the BVI, and that was the beginning. Now it won't be the end. It won't be no difference. That you know where take place where our life is concerned on the side there. And she are not showing the love that we would have expected. A mother, the love that we would expected a mother to be showing to her child in that condition. So all your love have been shown to your Starbucks and your phone screen.
Yeah, but I can forgive you, because for me to have peace. But I don't owe you no apology. No. Your hate was just too much. To the point where it placed my life in jeopardy.
Wow.
And my integrity can't overlook that.
Look on the sympathy, look on the face.
My integrity cannot overlook that and offer you an apology.
Look on her.
Cannot.
You can't fool some, but you can't fool the whole away. Plus you can't fool with all the time if you even feel fool with sometime.
And look and see what your behavior has triggered. Right? Look into yourself and see all the hate and the malice that you're
She never do Kris nothing at all. Kris just see her and take on to her. And the same thing happened with Chef Noel, the same thing happened with Kris.
It's not good. It's
yes.
not good for a business owner. It's not good for a person who prepared.
Because basically she was one of the main person who would try to use Kris in a them time there. Because some get to know Kris, you know. When the man go out on him balcony, he come put on him wallpaper costume and him crown, and the night when the wallpaper message come in and sitting about Dana this and him actually address Dana. And that's how I know him. And I can tell you say she was one of the main source to try use Kris to help her fight her battle. Which there was no battle. You understand? But she pick a battle. Because she always a try pick a battle with people. Because in the back of her head, people always a try to liquid her bread and butter. If you find out say your bread and butter the right, some people always a lick it when you not put it further. You have pussy in your kitchen you can't jump to right and take down the bread and butter. Move it where him can't jump to. What you gonna do with him? Take him, fling him out the road? So you gotta get cruel to the post. When you could have easily well move it from your and put it up there so. And that's exactly what you do. Try to use Kris. But it was so, you know, in God works, it was so much that the truth revealed. Linkage make with Dana and Kris. And Dana speak her mind, speak her truth. tell him how she get to know about him, and she love him, and she love him product because she get her in product with taste already, and it was so nice, and she always a talk about him product, and you know, and them get you know, have an understanding till them become such a good friends, and that even burn and pain your heart more. You understand? So you was one of the main person behind Kris in a them time, that not behind him. I try to use him to fight your battle with Dana, because you feel like there was a battle when there wasn't no battle, no beef. You were creating that beef and that battle with the woman. You understand what I said to you? And that's the same thing why you and Noel come might not happen the same way, but because, as me say, Noel and Auntie start being acquaintance where social media is concerned, share page, and you know, congratulations, me like your job, me like your work, me like what you do, Ray. You were catching up in your feelings. And you feel like it's time now for you to go at Chef Noel. Because him, you know, switch allegiance, him jump ship. And him jump ship and gone over the enemy side. You understand? Like people business where you, the beef you choose with the next person. You are one of them where if me and you are a friend, and me and that person are a friend, and you and that person don't talk, you want to tell me not talk to that person like me, you pick me. Move! And go back and call, make them pan you. Move! And go back in front of the dog, make him and pan you. Move! Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Have a happy weekend. Look out for the Dana one. It's coming. I don't know if I can go on 2 videos in a one for this weekend. Yeah. This Sunday evening, I could have a nice martini. But this video is to be continued. The Dana part is coming. The Dana part, where she involve Dana and Planka Nation. You don't want to hear that part, they sit and wait for it. You don't know what they do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Remember what I say, if you don't like the video, what talk or the voice on here, just turn down the phone and rest down the video. Make it go and run, man. You understand? Make it go and run, because if you come off, just click the like and come off for the video, the channel now gain a revenue. Because no ads now going to run on a video when I show. The video for a show. So this is just to make you understand. The likes is not what gain the video revenue. The likes is what gain the video more rotation in YouTube world. You know? What we call algorithm. You know? The video get more recommendation to share out because the amount of likes. But you have to watch the video so the video can get that commercial to run, the ads can run, so the channel get the revenue. Alright? So who never know, who don't know now. Just like, cool. Now I say baby James, I don't want to hear him. Put on the phone. And if you feel like you're going to annoy in hearing him voice, you turn down the volume. And you go and go do your work, do what you do. When the video done, yes, you're good. Alright? Bless upon yourself. I'm out.